physical things that take up a lot of space you can take a picture of them and there's still that pointer back to the memory, right? And I hear people in the minimalist space be like, well, your memories aren't the things, you'll still have the memory. And it's like, not really. Like, life is busy, there's a lot of stuff, and if you do throw away that t-shirt that means a lot to you, it may not come back to you. But if you take a picture of it and you make a point to kind of look through your pictures from time to time, you do have that pointer that can remind you of, now it won't have the smell and it won't be the same, maybe cutting out what the logo is on the t-shirt and putting it in a book or something, whatever. But there's ways to get the actual size of things down, right? If you're worried about, wow, I had so many memories on that couch, I don't want to get rid of that couch. It's like, take a picture of the couch and get rid of the couch. And put a smaller
right. Cut a little bit of the cloth out of the couch or something and store it in that way. Like, there's ways to do it.
Yeah. But I love the take a picture of it thing, because then you still have the pointer to the memory, right?